Today we will show you our most popular diesel injection pump test bench 12 PSB. Here, they have the green color and the gray color. We also can offer many colors. Like here. It includes the green color, blue color, red, and yellow. We also have a different appearance test bench. We can offer the different color, different model, and different appearance. Like here, this have one slope. And this one is the different digital simulator. And this one, the different appearance. It can be tested the mechanical pump like Bosch, Denso, Zexel, and other brand mechanical pump. It also can add the commercial injector test, UI-UP tester, VP37, VP44, RED4 to test the different injector testing and HUI injector testing. Now we will show the machine details. Here is our simulator DT1000. This is the temperature, state testing, time testing, count, speed, advanced angle. And here show us the different testing speed. Here is the speed adjuster switch, urgent stop switch, switch for pump. One is stop switch and another one is start switch. Air pressure adjuster switch. This is the same function at this. This is same function as this set. The high pressure meter gauge, low pressure meter gauge, inter pressure meter gauge, and positive pressure meter gauge, negative pressure meter gauge, and the rotor flow meter, inter pressure test, return oil measurement, and the oil supply connection. Return oil supply pipe connection. Air pressure indicator, temperature control indicator, power switch indicator, negative pressure adjust switch, advanced angle, gas source switch, heating switch, DC power, fuse, 12 voltage and 24 voltage, positive pressure joint and negative pressure joint. The dial, protection cover, coupling, work plate, the work light. Here is the oil pen, oil box with pen, and glass tube. Power switch. The inventor. Cable connection. Electric resistance. Ten, 20, 30, and 0 wire. The main motor. This one is 11 kilowatt. We also can afford 7.5, 11, 15, 18.5, 18.5, 22, and 37 kilowatt. Air compressor. The fuel pump. Diesel tank. Fast cooling. Pressure adjuster switch. Now we will show you how to testing the mechanical pump. Adjust the pressure. You can see from here, we can see the low pressure meter gauge. Choose the speed.